In this video, I'm going to show you how to create horizontal text scroll in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, go over to the Effects tab over here and select Titles. Select a text plus and drag it onto your timeline over here. Set the duration of the text plus to the desired length of your text and select the text. Come over here and change it to whatever you prefer. And edit the text to your liking. I'm going to increase the size of my text over here. Next, move your playhead to where you want this animation to begin. And come over to Transform tab over here. And toggle on the keyframe next to Offset. And change the X value till the text is completely moved to the right. And move your playhead to where you want the animation to end. And change the offset value until the text is completely moved to the left. And if I go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it, guys, on how to create horizontal text animation in DaVinci Resolve.